Hello, my name is Waranur Afrilia, and this presentation will explore intercultural communication by analyzing Van Okerok's music video Standout Within. It delves into the representation and negotiation of cultural identity in the video, focusing on the protagonist's struggle to balance individuality and social expectation. Through this lens, we'll identify key issues and propose actionable solutions. Cultural identity is how people define themselves within their cultural group. It influences how we communicate, express emotions, and form connections. In intercultural settings, differences in cultural identity can lead to misunderstandings, especially when individuals feel pressure to adapt or conform. Standout Within tells the story of a young person navigating the tension between self-expression and conformity. The protagonist faces societal pressure to fit in but ultimately learns to embrace their true identity, delivering a powerful message about the importance of authenticity and intercultural interactions. The video highlights a universal issue, which is cultural identity conflict. The protagonist is torn between societal norms and demand conformity and a personal desire to stand out. This reflects a challenge in communication when cultural expectations suppress individuality. Throughout the video, conformity is represented visually through uniform clothing, synchronized movement, and behavior. These symbols emphasize how societal norms can pressure individuals to suppress their unique identities to fit in. The protagonist's hesitation and frustration show the inner turmoil of identity conflict. The video uses expressive body language and close-ups of emotional moments to illustrate how the pressure to conform impacts self-esteem and communication. Conformity stifles open communication. The protagonist's isolation symbolizes how identity suppression prevents authentic connections. It becomes difficult to express oneself when societal expectations overshadow the personal truth. Many cultures, especially collectivist ones, prioritize group harmony over individual expression. While this promotes unity, it can also create identity conflicts for those who value personal freedom. The video critiques these dynamics by contrasting uniformity with individuality. The emotional toll is portrayed through the protagonist's sadness, frustration, and eventual breakdown. This reflects the psychological burden of living a life dictated by external expectations rather than their personal authenticity. In the climax, the protagonist rejects societal expectations and embraces self-expression, symbolized by dancing freely. This moment represents the liberation of cultural identity and the transformative power of being true to oneself. The video's message is universal. Across cultures, people struggle to navigate their identities within social frameworks. This highlights the importance of creating spaces where individuality is celebrated, fostering more inclusive and empathetic communication. To address these issues, we must embrace diversity by promoting acceptance of different identities. This involves recognizing that individuality enriches communities and creates opportunities for genuine, respectful communication. Education can play a crucial role by teaching cultural sensitivity and emphasizing the value of diverse identities. We can help individuals understand themselves and others, bridging gaps in intercultural communication. Media representation is equally important. Media should tell stories that challenge stereotypes and promote diverse identities as Standout Within does, encouraging viewers to reflect on their own cultural assumptions. Open communication is key to resolving identity conflict. Safe spaces for dialogue allow individuals to express their true selves, share perspectives, and build understanding across cultural boundaries. The music video invites viewers to reflect on their own cultural identities. It asks an important question. Are we being authentic? Or are we conforming to fit into societal mold? Reflection is the first step toward change. Individually, we can make a difference by challenging stereotypes, respecting cultural differences, and encouraging others to express themselves. These small actions can help create a more inclusive world. Institutions and media must lead the way by fostering inclusive policies and narratives. This includes encouraging diverse representation and dismantling structures that enforce rigid cultural norms. In summary, Standout Within music video illustrates the challenges of cultural identity in communication. By embracing diversity, educating about identity, and promoting open communication, we can create a world where individuality is celebrated and respected. Thank you for your attention. As the video reminds us, being true to yourself is a powerful act. Let's celebrate our differences, embrace our unique identities, and work toward more meaningful intercultural communication. See you!